How to book a ride with GetTransfer and save money. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can book a ride. Get ready. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now before I begin, I just want to say that you can find a link in the description below. If you click on the link, you'll get a bunch of benefits like coupon codes, promo codes, stuff like that, right? And even discounts. So make sure you check the link in the description below. So let's get into it. So here you can see you have the login and sign up button. As I said before, if you haven't signed up, click the link. You can easily sign up along with all the benefits, and I'm going to sign up with my email address, and I'm just simply actually going to sign up with my Google account, and there we go. So here we go. So this is how it looks like. So once you've signed up, pretty simple. You have your options right here. You have a ride or per hour or delivery. All right, you can select the location on the map. You can even add an address over here. Here you have all of your classes like economy, comfort, business, van, SUV, VIP, minibus, bus, whatever you want to do. You can go ahead and do this. You can add return ways. You can add as many adults you want. You can even add children. You can add their infant carriers, convertible seats, or booster seats if you want. You also have the option to add the promo code. This is what I was talking about. If you have the promo code, click over here and you can get the offer. All right, so again, we select the address. Let's go from an airport, or let's go with in New York. All right, and we want to go to, let's say, all the way across the town to Central Park. Right, or actually we're gonna go over here onto the museum, and yeah, that looks fine. And we're gonna pick the first one. We'll pick it from here. Actually, we can even move this around, so we'll go from Murray Street over here to all the way up to the Museum of the New York City. Right, we'll select economy. It's gonna take us $60, and yeah, that's fine. Then we go ahead and add the promo code over here, accept their terms and services, and then click on get offers. Right, oh, forgot, you also need to put the right date and the pickup time. All right, boom, set offer. Actually, we'll go with AM. It says now I can't advance it. That's fine. And then we click on get offers, wait for it to load up, and then boom, once you've all gotten the offers, you should be good to go. So it's already connecting us to nearby carriers, and once it's done, we just select and pay. So then we just simply select the date. I forgot what this is over here, and then we pick up time right over here, and then we select I have a promo code. I get the promo code, click on get offers, and then once we have all of our offers over here, you can go ahead and select them. All right, so these are all the offers that you get. You can see all of their languages that they speak. You can see right here Dutch, English, and Magyar. We got Urdu, English, all these different languages that they speak. You can book them over here. We can cancel them over here. I'm going to cancel them since I'm testing the app. But yeah, there you go. That's how you do it. That's how you can go ahead and book a ride with GetTransfer.com. And again, make sure to click the link in the description below to get that promo code. So thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.